The M18 FUEL 4.5 to 5-inch dual trigger braking grinder. Operate this grinder through dual trigger activation.
If you take one hand off, it's going to stop immediately. It's really helpful.
Using both the tool's triggers located on the paddle switch and side handle. The permanent multi-position side handle is adjustable in both tilt and pivot orientations, providing 15 different locked handle positions for optimized accessibility and control. Experience advanced kickback protection with AUTOSTOP's 3-axis roll detection.
Definitely recommend it. You're not getting a massive kickback.
Grind and cut confidently with rapid stop braking technology, stopping most grinder accessories in under 1 second.
I would like to get this on my job site as soon as possible.